Can you imagine living on the moon or Mars? Science advances, but there is a great obstacle to overcome: the creation of artificial gravity. For prolonged stays in space, such as those planned in future lunar or Martian colonies, it is essential to develop technologies that do not yet exist. Without adequate gravity, the health of astronauts could be seriously affected. Einstein was a pioneer in this topic. In his special relativity theory, he proposed that gravity and acceleration are indistinguishable. This means that if an astronaut experiences an acceleration of 9.8 meters per second squared, he could feel the same force as on Earth. However, generating this acceleration constantly presents a major problem: fuel. To maintain an acceleration of 9.8 meters per second squared with a rocket, huge amounts of fuel would be needed, making it unworkable. The most promising solution seems to be centripetal acceleration. As we rotate a spaceship, we could simulate gravity. But here too there is a challenge. The size of the ship and the speed of rotation are crucial to prevent astronauts from getting dizzy. For example, in small ships it would be necessary to rotate at a very high speed to achieve the desired acceleration. Instead, larger ships could rotate more slowly, making the experience more comfortable. An interesting project is that of a luxury hotel in space, designed in the form of a giant wheel. This hotel would rotate at the right speed and radio to simulate gravity, offering a unique experience to its guests. However, for the lunar or Martian colonies, the solution must be different. The bases must be on the surface, so a flying wheel would not be practical. But a wheel could be built to which the colonizers periodically turn to combat the effects of microgravity. The team of scientists at Kyoto University has designed a concept called the glass, which could serve as a microgravity spade for colonizers. This would help mitigate the negative effects of the lack of gravity. The effects of microgravity are worrying. Brain inflammation, vision problems, and muscle atrophy are just some of the consequences. Without a plan to generate artificial gravity, life in space could be unsustainable. In short, if we want to colonize other planets, it is essential to develop technologies that allow us to simulate gravity. Space exploration is at stake,